In this podcast episode, Dominic D'Agostino discusses his research on ketone metabolic therapy as an integrative and innovative approach to cancer treatment. He explains that his interest in this field was sparked by observations he made while using a unique atomic force microscope inside a hyperbaric chamber. He noticed that cancer cells reacted differently to oxygen compared to healthy cells, showing increased oxidative stress and mitochondrial damage when exposed to high levels of oxygen. D'Agostino's research focused on using nutrition and metabolic-based therapies to enhance standard cancer treatments like chemotherapy, radiation, and immune-based therapies. He found that transitioning to a fatty acid and ketone metabolism could have restorative healing effects, especially in brain cancer. By implementing a ketogenic diet, fasting, or ketone supplementation, he aimed to alter metabolic physiology to manage cancer growth and reduce proliferation. Through animal models and cell-based studies, D'Agostino and his team demonstrated the effectiveness of ketone metabolic therapy in increasing survival rates in metastatic cancer models. By combining hyperbaric oxygen therapy with a ketogenic diet, they achieved better results than traditional therapies. The research showed that therapeutic ketosis could suppress cancer growth and enhance the immune system's response to cancer cells. While D'Agostino's research primarily focused on animal models, he acknowledges that many patients are exploring metabolic approaches to cancer treatment on their own. Some individuals are adopting ketogenic diets, ketone supplementation, and other metabolic therapies alongside standard treatments. The goal is to manage cancer growth and improve outcomes by targeting metabolic pathways that support cancer cell proliferation. D'Agostino highlights the potential of combining metabolic therapies with standard cancer treatments to enhance efficacy. He mentions the importance of immune-based therapies and the role of nutrition in modulating immune responses. Recent studies have shown that different diets, like vegan or ketogenic, can impact the immune system, with ketogenic diets boosting adaptive immunity. This suggests that metabolic interventions can influence the body's ability to fight cancer. In addition to ketogenic diets and hyperbaric oxygen therapy, D'Agostino discusses the potential of pulse therapies in cancer treatment. These pulse protocols involve intermittent treatments like IV vitamin C, intravenous ascorbic acid, and pro-oxidative agents to target cancer cells specifically. By creating a metabolic environment that promotes oxidative stress within tumors, these therapies aim to slow cancer growth without damaging healthy tissues. D'Agostino mentions that a group of biologists, clinicians, and scientists are working on a comprehensive protocol that will describe the use of the ketogenic diet and other therapies in cancer treatment. This protocol aims to provide a framework and guide for clinicians to implement with their patients. The protocol is still in development, but once finalized, it will be crucial for clinicians to follow to ensure the effectiveness of the treatment. D'Agostino emphasizes the importance of a team approach in cancer treatment, where patients work with both functional health doctors and traditional oncologists. The functional health doctors can help navigate the roadmap of cancer therapies and ask important questions, while traditional oncologists provide standard of care treatments. By blending these approaches, patients can receive a more comprehensive and personalized treatment plan. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that limits glucose availability to cancer cells. By suppressing insulin and elevating ketones, the diet creates a metabolic environment that compromises the growth and proliferation of tumors. Ketones also have anti-inflammatory and epigenetic effects, making them a potential therapeutic tool in cancer treatment. Additionally, the ketogenic diet can protect normal healthy cells during cancer therapies, making it a valuable adjuvant therapy. D'Agostino highlights the importance of exercise in maintaining lean muscle mass for both cancer patients and individuals looking to mitigate their risk of developing cancer. Exercise plays a crucial role in metabolic health, as skeletal muscle is the primary glucose sink in the body. By building lean muscle mass and improving insulin sensitivity through exercise, individuals can limit glucose availability to tumors and improve their overall metabolic health. He shares his personal experience of losing muscle mass in his late 40s and how he was able to regain it through resistance training and dietary changes. He highlights the significance of muscle mass in overall metabolic health and recommends incorporating strength training into one's fitness routine. D'Agostino recommends monitoring metabolic biomarkers such as fasting insulin, hemoglobin A1C, HSCRP, uric acid, and triglycerides to assess metabolic health and cancer risk. He explains that optimizing these biomarkers through lifestyle choices, including healthy food selection, exercise, and stress management, can significantly reduce the risk of developing cancer. D'Agostino shares his experience with the ketogenic diet, initially following a 4:1 ratio of fat to protein, which led to improvements in cardiometabolic biomarkers, but also raised concerns about elevated LDL cholesterol. He transitioned to a low-carb diet, maintaining mild ketosis, and using exogenous ketones to support his metabolic health. He emphasizes the anti-inflammatory effects of ketones and the benefits of staying in a mild state of ketosis for overall health. D'Agostino discusses his approach to personal experimentation and continuous learning in optimizing his health. He highlights the importance of staying in a mild state of ketosis for improved cognitive function, energy levels, and inflammation reduction. D'Agostino emphasizes the significance of maintaining a healthy weight and consuming whole foods for overall health. He encourages individuals to prioritize resistance training, adequate protein intake, and regular DEXA scans to monitor lean body mass and bone density. He underscores the value of personalized approaches to diet and exercise based on individual needs and goals. D'Agostino discusses the use of supplements to enhance ketosis, particularly for individuals who may struggle to achieve a state of ketosis through diet alone. He mentions the benefits of supplements like creatine monohydrate, omega-3 fatty acids, and exogenous ketones in supporting metabolic health. He also stresses the importance of maintaining electrolyte balance while on a ketogenic diet, as electrolyte depletion can occur due to the diuretic effects of ketosis. When it comes to measuring ketosis, D'Agostino recommends using devices like the Keto Mojo meter, which can provide accurate readings of ketone levels in the body. He also suggests monitoring fasting glucose and postprandial glucose levels to gain insights into metabolic health. Continuous glucose monitors and other advanced testing methods can offer a comprehensive view of one's metabolic status and help optimize metabolic health. D'Agostino delves into the emerging field of integrative cancer treatment, which combines conventional therapies with metabolic-based approaches. He advises individuals diagnosed with cancer to seek out clinicians who have published case reports on successful treatments for their specific type of cancer. By exploring academic literature and practitioner databases, patients can connect with healthcare providers who are knowledgeable about metabolic therapies for cancer. For individuals seeking support and guidance on their metabolic health journey, D'Agostino recommends exploring resources like the Institute for Functional Medicine and PubMed for research articles on metabolic therapies. He also mentions the Moss Report and the Hippocrates Research Foundation as valuable sources of information on integrative cancer treatments. Building a community of like-minded individuals and practitioners can provide a network of support and knowledge sharing for those navigating metabolic health challenges.